So let me ask you a simple question. If I show you 100 rows of numbers, will you understand what's happening? Probably not. But if I show you one simple chart, your brain goes, oh, now I get it. And that reaction is the reason data visualization exists. Welcome back to the series, and today's video we are going to understand what data visualization really is, why companies depending on it, and how analysts use it to turn numbers into decisions. No tools yet, no coding yet, just clear thinking. So let's begin. So first of all, let's see what is data visualization. Data visualization simply means representing data using charts, graphs, and visuals so human can understand it easily. Because here is the truth. Computers love numbers, but humans love pictures. So if I tell you salary increased from 10,000 to 80,000 over 6 months, your brain has to calculate. But if I show you a line chart going up, you understand it in 1 second. That is data visualization. It's not decoration, it's communication. Now, let's see a real life example here. So, imagine you are a manager and I give you this table where January 20,000, February 18,000, March 25,000, April 40,000, and May 65,000. You will read it, you will think, you will calculate. Now imagine I show you a line chart. So instantly you know sales dimmed, then exploded, and April was the turning point. Same data, but different impact. And that's why companies don't run on Excel sheets alone. They run on visuals. Now, why data visualization is so important? So let's be very practical. Companies use data visualization to spot trends quickly, compare performance, detect problems early, and make faster decisions. Executives don't have time to read 500 rules. That's why they want answers like which city is performing best, which product is failing, or where are we losing our money. A good chart answers these in seconds. A bad chart confuses everyone. Now, what is the comparison between a bad visualization and a good visualization? So, bad visualization looks like this, where too many colors, too many numbers, but no clear message. It's like someone shouting everything at once. Now, what is in the good visualization? So, one question, one chart, one clean story. For example, if your question is which product sells the most, you don't need 10 charts. One simple bar chart is enough. Good visualization is about clarity, not creativity. Okay, so now there are different types of data visualization. Now let's understand the most common type. So first of all, bar chart. Bar chart is used for comparing categories. Example, when we are visualize something like sales by product, and then there is line chart. So line chart is used for trends over time. For example, if we are going to talk about monthly revenues, the third one is pie chart, and it is used for proportions like market share. The fourth one is histogram, and it used for distributions. For example, if we are talking about age groups of customer, then we can use the histogram. So every chart has a purpose. Using the wrong chart is like wearing formal shoes into the gym. Now there are variety of tools in the world for data visualization. Now the biggest question, how do analysts create these visuals using what tools? So there are some of the tools like Excel, Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, Power BI, and Tableau. The tool doesn't matter at first, the thinking does. So if you understand what to show, why to show, and how to interpret, then any tool becomes easy. So today you learn what data visualization is, why it's critical for businesses, how chart turns numbers into insights. From the next video onwards, we go hands-on. We will start creating charts using Python and you will actually see your data come alive. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment visual data. I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Happy coding.